I was using the brush on this side to brush on the frame, right? And the bigger frame and the metal. And then I'm gonna go ahead and close it and open on the other end, which is where the needles is more precise is. And just go ahead and give it a little exam. I feel scratchy right here, so when you feel scratchy, you're gonna just squeeze just a little bit. Just that much. Little go a long way. And then I'm gonna seal right on the top of the frame. Not on top of the crystal. We're gonna keep the crystals feel really nice and it's shiny. You don't want to destroy it. You want to keep it really nice and sparkles. And the facets are staying really nice and right here. So you can definitely go back again with the precision glue gels after you are going to seal it for the clients. And then when after the kill, you feel, oh my God, Nancy, it's get a little still scratchy here. I said, sure. And I'm gonna feel it, seal it more. But you don't want to do it all, float it all at once, because you don't want your precision glue gel gonna running everywhere. And then usually if you're seeing it after you're done, and then you can see that a lot of residues here, and it's make it looks lumpy on this side. So you want to make sure you are going to flash cure first before you want to seal some more. So let's cure this babies for 60 seconds. And then that nails is going to be done. And again, so you can using other ends, which is the brush, to brush on this, or you can use this the precision needles right here to seal the beads in the frame. And in the meantime, I'm feeling it. I'm going to like check. If you're feeling like you are feeling scratchy, it means that it's getting a little bit the edges that need to seal, so then they won't catch on their hair or their clothes. Anything else like the bed sheet. The time you're like busy and doing it, it's like a laundry. It's gonna catching thing too, you know. So all right, so we're going to cure. You see that I didn't applied it right on the top of the crystal, because that's how the crystal will look, stay nice and sparkles. So moving on to the last beauties here, and again I'm going to seal right on the top of the beads and the frame to keep them from getting tarnished, because we're washing our hands a lot and a lot of hand sanitize every day. So we'll make sure we seals it, so then it's gonna stay nice and fresh for us. In the meantime, I want to check on the crystal. If I feel scratchy, I just feel with that. Even when you run this through your client's design, they can tell you like, oh my God, I feel it. You can feel that it's like is all of the gap and edges got beings like completely feel. So I'm gonna feel right between all that crystal and the edges and the frame, but not on the top of the crystal. You can see that how still sparkle it is. And we are going to cure this for a 60 second. I'm so enjoying it today. I don't know why, because I was earlier here. I get a lot of designs for you, and I'm so excited because I just opened the kids. Oh my God, I want to get filled with this plates, and it's, oh my God, it's already filled. And then it's pretty much, it didn't do a dent to the kits that I have. So I have so much of Crystal SS that I don't know how long it's gonna take me. Maybe it's so many, and absolutely between that, you know, tutorial I share with you and my clients, and then the treat show, I still never finish this. This is really absolutely is one of, if you get one of the kids, you find out which one you like, you know, which one you want, like really vibrant like me, you can get your neon kits, but you want like, you know, really colorful and then glow in the darks, and then you want small saddles, you get glow in the darks. We have a lot of glitz lovers getting all three kits because ours is compatible together. We selecting a shape so then they can work well together. That's why you can see I did the neons and the glow in the darks is combined together, so then you are not like, if you can have a bit of everything, you know, instead of just have to settle with one. But it doesn't matter. Whatever kits you pick, you are going to receiving your beautiful crystal trifecta. It will be the best for your crystal placement. And when you get any one of the kits, you are going to get like free gift of iHo condensed glue gels. So that is exclusive special. Can you doing it for Bellis?
All right. I think Bella, Brazil ready to show you her nails.
Brazil is one of Glitz brand ambassador. She's hey, how are you? Happy Saturday. I'm